Hey everybody, welcome to my workspace. I was working on something, got Star Trek on the screen, pin out on the little machine right there, and it's finally done. Fire, left, right, up, down, right, left, up, down, fire, joystick tester. Let me break out the flashlight so I can see, you can actually see it. There, Altoids 10. Sorry for the glare. It's the middle of the night, like 3:40, and I'm done with it. I forgot the wiring and that damn thing. It's been so long, and a lot has happened. But fire, up, down, right, left. Altoids can joystick tester. Thank you for your patience. It is on its way to you as soon as humanly possible. And I'm going to continue watching Star Trek. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.